Quick Start Guide. In the box, you will find two 45-degree angle blades and one 60-degree angle blade, sample material, a 12-inch by 12-inch cutting mat, power cord, a USB cable, documentation including a registration card and user manual, a blade holder, and a marker adapter. Start unboxing your Juliet by removing the protective plastic from your machine and the user interface screen. You will now be able to access and remove the protective foam layers from inside the lid and blade housing. Remember to remove the white protective clips from your machine to avoid any issues upon startup. To do this, simply put the main pinch lever in the open position by pressing down. Once complete, you will now remove the white clips. Now you are ready to plug in your machine. Plug in your power cord into the designated port on your Juliet. After this step is complete, you can plug in your USB cord to your computer and start using your new Juliet high-definition cutter by Caesar. A new creative journey starts here.